Good morning. Good morning. I am headed out to Salon to do a retightening on one of my clients. And I'm just going to show you a little bit about my day. So thank you for coming along, subscribing, and you guys have an open invitation to just follow along with me for a little bit today. I'm going to share a little bit of my day with you. Let's go. I am turning into the parking lot. Now I know my appointment starts at 8. It is like 7:49, but I want you to know that this young lady is my client that comes further than anyone. So I try to get in here at least a few minutes early. This morning, I was not moving as quickly as I normally do, but I want you to know that she comes the farthest and she gets here the quickest. So as I get out, she's getting out, and that's okay. We are going to get started and working on her hair. Let me get my mask. Always ready. She's out of her car before me, and I'm just taking my time because I want to get her in this video. Oh yeah, everything seems to be okay now that I've gone through there. Turn like that. I was talking on a previous video, and I have friends, clients that have they tell me they have alopecia, and sometimes I just want to know, so how does that happen? One lady said, I always had hair, and then all of a sudden I have alopecia. And I started asking questions. Is there anything that you did in the past that could cause, and I just call it hair loss, cause the hair loss? And sometimes they tell me about, especially the ones that have lost their edges.
That's traction alopecia.
Okay, that's traction.
Hair so tight, or maybe they had a habit of having braids a lot, and you know how tight they do those. Kind of snatches the hair out at the follicle, and if you do it repeatedly, you'll end up damaging your hair follicles. Sometimes, like some people get severe dermatitis, real thick dandruff.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Floats down into the eyebrows and ears, and sometimes if you get it really bad, it could affect your hair growth.
Okay. Does a fungus have anything to do with hair loss at all?
Or I haven't seen any. I mean,
because I know sometimes people will say, I use an antifungal cream. And
it's sort of like they'll use it.
And I think that sometimes whatever we're dealing with our hair, scalp, it goes beyond cosmetology and just normal hair care, and I would always suggest that you see a dermatologist. I think I've learned something from you today. That was some very useful information. I hope you can fix the fan. If it can't be fixed, we're not buying a remote control one, I know. Well, I'm back home. Back on the road. And I'm hungry. Who knows what this is that I'm eating to hold me over till I get a real meal. It's a new place for me. Never been here. But I think I'm gonna like it. I'm cool. Got on a camo jacket. My husband don't need no jacket, y'all. I think I'll go in here and see what's in here. It's pretty interesting. I say candle seems to be my weakness. And that honeysuckle smells really good. Let y'all see the succulents that's in this place. We are in a busy place. We can get some popcorn or something, and then shall we meet up with you? What's the popcorn? No? Okay. Yeah, right up there. Sweet potato fries. And then they decide to eat You said cheese, but you didn't look at the camera.
You gonna take a picture? We're going way down there with a pizza that we call. We're going way down there with a pizza. You taking Deja?
Thank you.
It looks really, really good.
No Fridays. I'm good without it. Whatever this is called, the Galbi.
Galbi? The stump? You got it, man. Okay.
What else is in the
What's that in there?
This is all this same thing like you have here, like the kitchen, like the carrot. There's just vegetables, rice, and the protein you chose.
And then the protein of your choice. Okay.
Yeah.
So the galbi is the protein.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Come with rice, vegetables, and if you want to add some egg, we can add some egg on it.
No egg.
Okay. Let's do it. Okay, stumpa. Galbi stumpa, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so you got a galbi stumpa and a chicken teriyaki bento box. It's gotta be
Go ahead. Good job. Go ahead and eat your breakfast.